Ranawat is an Indian actress who works predominantly in Bollywood. She is one of the highest paid actresses in the industry and is the recipient of several awards. She is addressed in the Bollywood industry as one take actor. Let's check out some interesting facts about her. Before moving on to the video, subscribe Informative World and don't forget to ring the bell icon for latest updates from our channel. Biography. Kangna was born on 23rd March 1986 in Bhambla, a small town in Himachal Pradesh, India. She was quite stubborn and rebellious as a child. Kangna had a keen interest in fashion right from her teenage. She often experimented with her looks and wore clothes that seemed bizarre to her neighbors. Kangna did her schooling from DAV School Chandigarh with science stream. Initially, she wanted to be a doctor on the insistence of her parents. However, a failed unit test in chemistry led her to alter her mind, and despite having prepared for AIPMT, she did not turn up for the exam. According to Kangna, while attending DAV school in Chandigarh, Ranita and Bondina were her roommates in the hostel, and they were called Charlie's Angel. Her mother wanted to get her married at the age of 16, but Kangna was determined to find her space and freedom. So she left her college midway and relocated to Delhi. In Delhi, she joined the Elite Modeling Agency where she briefly worked as a model. Later, she joined the Asmita Theatre Group and got trained under the guidance of theatre director Arvind Gaur. Kangna participated in several plays including Grish Karnat's Taledanda, and a positive response from the audience prompted her to move to Mumbai. She enrolled herself in Asha Chandra's drama school for a 4-month acting course. After making her debut in Gangster 2006, she was honored by her school principal ma'am, Dr. Sachdeva crowned her the pride of DAV. Physical appearance. The brown-eyed actress is 5'5" tall and weighs around 52 kg. She has curly black hair. Family. Kangna was born into a well-off Rajput landlord family. Her father, Amardeep Ranawat, is a businessman and contractor, and her mother, Asha Ranawat, is a school teacher. She has an elder sister named Rangoli and a younger brother named Ashkeet Ranawat. Career. Kangna made a debut in the Bollywood with the romantic thriller movie Gangster. She was just 17 while filming and described her craft as raw and immature. The film was emerged as a commercial success and her role was praised by the audience. Ranawat received praise for playing emotionally intense characters in the film like Life in Metro 2007 and Fashion in 2008. In 2009, Kangna featured in the commercially successful movie Raz. The mystery continues, followed by the Once Upon a Time in Mumbai the next year. She played a comic role opposite to R. Madhavan in the box office. Tanu Weds Manu. Next, she played a series of brief glamorous roles before playing the role of Mutant opposite Hrithik Roshan in Krish 3. Kangna went on to play a naive woman in the comedy drama Queen. which ranked as the most successful Hindi film featuring a female protagonist. In 2015, Kangna played a double role in the movie Tanu Weds Manu Return. Salary and net worth. Having a net worth of 12 million, Kangna charges 1 to 12 crore for a film. Awards. Kangna has been the recipient of 3 National Film Awards, namely Best Supporting Actress for Fashion in 2008, Best Actress for Queen in 2014, and Best Actress for Tanu Weds Manu Returns in 2015. She has also been awarded 4 Filmfare Awards: Best Filmfare Debut for Gangster, Best Supporting Actress for Fashion, Best Actress for Queen, and Best Actress Critics for Tanu Weds Manu Returns. Favorite things. Aamir Khan and Shah Rukh Khan, her favorite actors. Sridevi tops her list of favorite actresses. Kangna loves cooking, reading, writing, and doing yoga in her leisure time. She prefers eating berry burst and dal chawal. She likes to play basketball. Her favorite color is black. Kangna's favorite restaurant is Kong Posh in Mumbai. She likes to wear Chanel No. 5 perfume. She is immensely inspired by Sonam Kapoor's fashion sense. Though Kangna is not much into watching TV shows and films, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai is her favorite movie. Paris and Milan are her favorite travel destinations. She is greatly influenced by Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography called The Truth Story of Experiments with Truth. Facts about Kangna Ranaut. Kangna is a non-vegetarian. Ranaut is a well-trained Kathak dancer. Kangna owns a BMW 7 Series car. Ms. Ranaut is one of the youngest Indian actresses to have won the National Film Award at the age of 22. Her dream is to purchase a farmhouse in Shimla and settle there after she retires from the work. Reportedly, the actress received ₹110 million for Rangoon, which is the highest payment ever made to a Bollywood actress for a film. In the year 2005, her sister Rangoli was attacked with acid by a man who disguised himself as a money order delivery boy. She resides in a 4 BHK flat in Khar, Mumbai. Kangna's family disapproved of her decision to pursue acting as her career. She was thrown out of her house when she still wanted to join the glamour world. Interestingly, Kangna wrote her own dialogues for the film Queen. She even went to New York for a script writing course, but had to leave it midway in order to promote Queen. On 15 January 2020, she launched her production company. Following the suicide of actor Sushant Singh Rajput on 14 June 2020, Kangna took to social media and blamed the nepotism in Bollywood for Sushant committing a suicide.